Everybody, welcome to Get welcome back to another video. So guys, today there is a big problem. Look at this. Your club membership is expired. Don't worry, you can keep playing for free. Well, isn't that great? What if I don't want to play for free? Huh? What if I don't want to? Now it says, thanks for playing Animal Jam. Renew your membership now? No thanks, because I don't have the money for it. So I'm not going to do that. So this video is going to be the Random Monday video, not me being all upset that I don't have membership. But I'm probably just going to log into my other account. Alright, 75 Jams. Cool. But right now I'm just going to stay on this account. Why only members? But I want to. That's straight up rude. You know what? That is rude. You do have a point right there. That is very rude. Captain Waffles. Oh my god, I'm gonna buddy this person. I'm sorry, I have to. I just love this username. And my chair just lower and the seat of my chair just lower. Alright, perfect. Yes! They buddied me! Yay! Alright. Back to what we were doing. They're just being meanies. They're being meanie poos. Meanie poo. Anyway, let's see if Squirm is online. I doubt it. No, he's not online. Let me just make sure that he's my buddy, because I'm not too sure. But anyways, it doesn't need to be fine. Please, can I join? Oh, yay! Fine. Doesn't need to be fine. Alright. Well, anyways, guys, back to what we're doing. Let's go to Jamar Township, and let's go to Jamar Clothing. Well, we can go there and get the Random Monday. That'll be great. That'll be really great. Alright, don't know why I'm speaking with an accent, but that is okay. Volunteer, everybody! Please trade me, please, I beg you. I beg your pardon. Trade me a different squill for mine, I'll accept if I like it. Cough, cough. Alright. Anyways, let's see what this person has. Ha, ha, ha. Oh my god, the rare flower crown. And I wanted flower crown. Butter me if you think I'm cute. Girl, I don't even know who you are. Girl, get that out of here. Alright, I'm not good at that. But anyways, let's get to what we're doing here. Let's give him this thing. And let's just trade him that. See if they'll accept it. Yes, I'm sure. Please. Trade me, please! Beta Gecko, Rare Big Bow. Be fair, may accept. Please accept my trade request. I really want that baby crying sound. I pray to Mira. Pray to me. Oh, they declined my trade. Great. Alright, sorry about that, guys. My dog was barking at something. And they said, and this person, trade me, please. Let's see what these people have on trade. Alright, let's just get back to looking for the Rare Monday, because that's what the whole point of this video is. It's supposed to be like a 3-minute video of me finding the Rare Monday. It's already been 4 minutes and 30 seconds. But I mean, if you think I'm cute, as in love. Girl, I'm gonna have to report you for that now. Cause like, really? Seriously? Hold on, wait, let me report them first. Cause this is bad. Right? You're not supposed to be doing this. Alright? That's some inappropriate behavior right there. And I'm going to report you. Guys, make sure you report this person. Like, really? Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Buddy made me think I'm cute as in love. Loser. Because you're not supposed to be doing that and now I reported you. Now you're going to be a bad person. Well, you already are a bad person for doing that, so. Yeah, anyways, let's get to looking for the random Monday. Let's go. We're waiting for it to load. Look at all these fall items. Oh my god, the Chester hat. Alright. All the beehive stuff and all the bee stuff. We're gonna go. Oh my god, the antennas are the best though. The bee antennas, 2 days. Bee shirt, 3 days. Beehive hat, 4 days. Anyways, let's get back to looking for the random Monday. I don't know where it is. I do not see it anywhere so far, and also it might not be here. It might be somewhere else, but I'm not too sure. And if I can't find it, I'm probably gonna have to look it up and find out where it is. Alright, now let's go look in wherever it is, Coral Canyons and wherever this place is called. Alright. Yes, how did I know? Alright. Uppity, uppity, scuppity, duppity, luppity, don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, let's get looking for it. And if it's in here, I probably futuristic headphones. Anyways, if it's in here, then I won't be able to buy it because I don't have the money for it. Only one thing in here. That's really it. Alright. Probably have to end up looking for it. Yeah. So I'm gonna go. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. So I just found out where the Red Mondays, and it is in Mount Chevere. Let's go over there, and it is in the Hot Cocoa Hut. Someone told me because I couldn't find it anywhere. Someone told me where it was. And they said two different sentences. They said it is, and then as soon as I said it is, I left because I don't want to know what it is because I want it to be a surprise. So let's go. All right, so we are finally here. Let's go into the Hot Cocoa Hut. Get this Red Monday, and then we are good to go. I wonder if it's gonna be full in here, or like if it's gonna have any people in here. Because normally the Hot Cocoa Hut has nobody. But that is okay. But I personally love Hot Cocoa Hut because it just reminds me of Christmas and winter. That's my favorite season. I don't know. It's not when it's not when my birthday's. My birthday's in spring. Yay! When the allergies come around. Yay! But you get the idea. Alright, so there is really nobody here. But before we get the Random Monday, we are going to get ourselves a nice hot cocoa. We're going to celebrate it being the Random Monday, and then I finally found it, even though I didn't find it. So, yeah, let's go. Alright, so finally opened, finally loaded. We are going to choose this cup, the blue one, because blue is my favorite color. Regular hot chocolate, whipped cream, and let's get some of these chocolatey chippities on here. Now, since this is done, we are now going to go over here, find out the Random Monday is. Alright. Let's look for it. Wow, all this polar stuff and whatnot. It's all blue, my favorite color, and it's a rare frog head. And it's members only, and I can't afford it, but I'm so close! But that's it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Peace. And also on my Instagram, I will be posting a picture. Link will be down in the description below, and that's it.